Hey YouTube land, welcome to my channel. Well, today it's drone giveaway time, and the drone I'm giving away is this one here, the SJRC F11. This drone can be yours. Well, not this one here and not this one here, because this one's mine. This one here was sent to me by Geekbuying a long time ago, and it's a pretty cool drone. You've seen my review of this drone. I think I've done more than one review, and if you check out YouTube, anybody else who's reviewed or bought this drone, they all love it. It's a really good drone. So this one can be yours. Well, not this one here again. You're gonna get a brand new one, brand spanking new. You see, I contacted my good friends at Geekbuying and I said, hey guys, would you like to help me out with my 50,000 subscribers? Because recently I got 50,000 subscribers, or achieved it, thanks to all you guys. And I said, I'd like to give something away for that. So they said, well, how about give away an F11 drone? Because guess what? Geekbuying is having their 7th anniversary sale, and they asked me to promote that, so I'm promoting it as I'm doing this giveaway. So I'm going to try to do them both together so it's a win-win for everybody. So they're having a 7th anniversary sale. Everything's on sale, so if you want some drones from Geekbuying, now's the time to get them. Same time, this drone can be yours in a contest, and Geekbuying will send it to one lucky viewer who wins this contest. Now this contest here, let me just explain it. Let me grab the rules and explain it. Okay, this is my rule sheet. Here we go. Contest. You must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Second thing, to win this drone, you just have to post the answer to a question. Now, I've done this before in previous videos. Below this video is a link to a website. And in this case, it's Geekbuying's website. So I've posted the link to Geekbuying and their sale below. Click on that, it takes you to Geekbuying. You see how this is a win-win? And I'm gonna ask a question about what you're gonna see on the screen. And all you have to do is post the answers. If I say something simple like, hey, what color is the background? And it's orange, then you write the answer, orange. And you're entered in the contest. It's that easy. Here's the tricky part. I'm gonna change the question as the week goes on, because everybody just copies everybody else's answer. So make sure you don't post the wrong answer, because you're only allowed to post one answer. If, say your name is Martin, and you post 2 or 3 answers over and over, when I do the random selection, it's going to filter out anybody who's a duplicate, and you probably won't win. So don't post more than once, just post only once. Now the winner to this contest will be picked on June 17th, which is a Monday, so basically a little less than a week from now. And I'm going to use the YouTube random comment generator. I will film it, and then I will post my results on Tuesday, June the 18th. So you'll see a video on Tuesday, June the 18th, showing me doing the random comment generator and a winner being selected. Good luck to everyone. This is an awesome drone. Whoever wins it is going to be super happy. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, the usual. And guess what? Make sure you watch tomorrow's video. Something cool is going to happen. See you then.